Hi, I'm Christy from EzyConcept, and I'm here to talk to you about EzyCap wall ends. Perfect for creating modern architectural wall ends, internal balustrades and stop ends, the EzyCap range is here to make the job as easy as possible, both to install and to maintain. Pre-finished and ready to paint after installation, the EzyCap range offers a number of different profile options. The original EzyCap gives that flush finish to any wall end for a seamless modern look. The new Shadowline option brings the same slip-fit installation but comes with an integrated shadowline detail for a more noticeable architectural finish. The Closer Cap is suited for cavity sliders as the sliding door can sit inside the rebate to ensure complete privacy when closed. The range is suited to your needs. Custom shapes and sizes are available upon request for any irregular shape, width or length. To install the EzyCap, simply slide the steel cap onto the end of the plasterboard so that it is sitting flat against the wall end. Drill both sides of the cap through the wall to attach. The EzyCap is now installed and ready to be painted over to seamlessly cap the wall. Manufactured by Studco Building Systems using premium quality steel, EzyCap is a reliable option for mitigating wear and tear and preventing cracked wall ends. Contact your EzyConcept team today for a quote on your project.